Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. So guys, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, comment and like below. So today guys is actually a special video because a friend of mine requested that I do this video for her. She needed an editing app, so I gave an option that she can use CapCut, which is the best I've seen so far. I give CapCut credit for that, not just because it has all the features, because it is free. Like, you can be flexible with it, do whatever you want to do without paying a dime for it. So guys, if you really want to know how to edit with CapCut, like for the basic okay, I'm not going to be teaching you only the basic. I'm just going to be teaching you for now this one so that you can take it home with you. So if you have any other question to ask me on how to use the app, you can just go to the comment section and say I need help with this, so no much talk, just go ahead and continue watching this video. Need to do is to download CapCut, then it will take you to new project, then you can click it and it takes you back to your gallery. There you can select any video of your choice. If it's one or two, that's your choice. Then here is the video I'm about to edit right now. So in this video, for me to edit it, first of all I have to remove this CapCut logo or something. I just have to remove it because I don't want to forget. Then I'll click on edit. It's gonna take me to the features I need for this editing. Then if there is any place that I don't like, that I want to cut off, I just have to click on split and split to wherever I want to. Click on it, the other angle, then click on the middle, then that's it. I just take it off, delete it. So the next thing I would do again is click on the edit again. Click on the edit again. That way it's going to take me to the next step I want to do again. Maybe I probably want to edit the speed because the video is so slow. I have to click on the speed, then it takes me to normal, then I click on it. There I can now set it to any level I want. I keep on checking if is okay for me. Then I go to the next step, maybe the volume. Then I have to click on the extract audio. Here I'm just going to extract volume, like making it louder than the previous video. Here I'm only extracting audio on the video I clicked on. Assuming I clicked on the second one, it's still going to extract the audio. So that's it. Whatever I'm doing, once I'm done, I have to go back, then go again and click on edit. You just have to be checking on the features. If there's any of it that you want to use, just go to it. Once you're done, you head back. Now I'm trying to mirror the video. Instead of the previous look, I'm taking it to the left angle instead of it to be at the right angle. That is the editing there. So if you want to know more about these features, you just have to keep trying to explore it yourself. Here right now I am trying to adjust the video quality. Maybe you did a video and you don't like the saturation or the exposure, you can correct everything here, and that's it. Just go ahead and look at the features the video have. If there is any, once you're done, you can just go ahead and play the video and make sure it gives you what you want, and if it doesn't, you can just still go back and correct whatever that you feel that is not okay. So if you want to add text, like write anything on the video, you just have to click on text and it's going to take you to where you're going to type and say whatever you want to say about the video, and that's it. when you are done editing, you can just click on that arrow upward, then it's going to export the whole video to your gallery. From there you can now upload it in any social network. So guys, if you find the video quite helpful for you, do not forget to comment and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.